Hello student, myself Dashna Maru on behalf of Matrushri Ramuba Tejani and Matrushri Shantaben Vidya Science College managed by Sardar Patel Educational Institute. I would like to share my sum of opinion and view about the topic of nitrogen cycle. As we know, nitrogen is abundantly present 78% in the atmosphere. But green plant cannot utilize the atmospheric nitrogen directly. Plant can take up nitrogen only from soil. Nitrogen is very important for plant because constituent of the proteins, nucleic acid and other component. Most of plant obtain nitrogen from soil as a nitrate and ammonium salt, which form are easily utilized by plant. Besides this leaching effect of rain and denitrification action of some bacteria lower and the nitrogen content of the soil. This loss is compensated by the process of lightning and nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen supplied in form of fertilizer to crop. Behalf of fertilizers, the leguminous plant fix the atmospheric nitrogen easily by microbial activity. This process carried out by three steps. First one is nitrogen fixation, second one is ammonification and the third one is nitrification. There are other ways to conversion nitrogen sources into nitrogen. There are two processes for this. First one is nitrification and second one is sedimentation. Now we look up to nitrogen fixation. This process is conversion of molecules of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrous or ammonium form by two methods. One is lightning atmospheric nitrogen fixation or non-biological fixation, and the second method is biological nitrogen fixation. Non-biological fixation. During lighting, nitrogen will be oxidized into nitrous acid and this oxide carried to ground by raindrops and deposit on soil as a nitrous or nitric acid. By this method, very small amount of nitrogen will be fixed. Second step of nitrogen fixation by biological. This method conversion of nitrogen into ammonia by various microbes. Mostly, two types of microbes are carried this process. One is asymbiotic microorganism and second one is symbiotic microorganism. Asymbiotic microorganism like free-living bacteria and cyanobacteria, we all know about blue-green algae, is the best example of the asymbiotic microorganism. And the second symbiotic microorganism like rhizobium. Rhizobium is associated with the roots nodules of leguminous plant. These plants are capable to utilize ammonia processed by the rhizobium. For this process, nitrogenous enzyme is responsible. The second process of ammonification. Plants synthesize organic nitrogen compound with the help of ammonium or nitrate as a nitrogenous compound, which is easily utilized from of nitrogen. This compound again broken down into simpler form due to activities of various type of microbes like bacteria, actinomycetes and fungi. Third process of nitrification. This process of oxidation of ammonia into nitrate compound. For this process is required aerated soil which rich in CaCO3 compound. Temperature will below 300 degrees Celsius. pH will be neutral and absence of organic matter. By bacteria, this process carried out in two steps. The first step is ammonium molecule reacts with oxygen and gives the nitrous acid and molecules of H2O and energy will release. This step carried out by nitrosomonas microbes. And second step is two molecules of nitrous acid again reacts with oxygen and form a nitric acid and release energy. This step will be carried out by nitrobacter. These three processes are carried from the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Now we look up to denitrification process. This process is conversion of nitrate and ammonium compound into nitrogen by microbes like Pseudomonas denitrificans and Thiobacillus denitrificans carried this process. What they do? They do nitrous compound will be converted into nitrate compound and nitrate compound converted into nitrogen. This process occur in waterlogged soil. Second method is sedimentation. This process also converts a nitrate compound into nitrogen. Nitrate of soil are locked up into the rock when it will wash down to sea or deeply into the earth with percolating water known as sedimentation. After all these 5 processes, we can conclude that nitrogen is an important compound for the plant growth. This conversion is cyclic process, so the nitrogen transfer into one form to another form. Here see the figure of nitrogen cycle. As I tell you further, the atmospheric nitrogen fixed by biological and abiological process available to nitrogen sources for plant which help to plant growth. Physical or non-biological process like lighting fix the atmospheric nitrogen in little amount. Then some microbes are helped to available for the nitrogen to the agriculture crop and plant. Some the dead and decay material converted into ammonium and nitrogenous form, which again converted into simpler form by microbes which are easily available for the plant, so it can utilize for the growth cycle, and other nitrification process which help to conversion of the various nitrate and nitrite compound to nitrogen. Now you all are very clear about nitrogen cycle. Thank you.